New details tonight on the horrific accident in the South Bay. A little boy crushed to death by a refrigerator. A witness tells 10 News anchor Itika Milanes that he waited on hold with 911 nearly 3 minutes before hanging up. Itika?
Yeah, this is the spot where little Isaac was crushed by a refrigerator. It is marked by flowers, stuffed animals, a touching message here, and some balloons. I talked to a man who called 911, and he says he can't help but wonder what would have happened to the little boy had he survived if he would have gotten in touch with 911 sooner.
I was walking right here, and then I heard a loud sound.
Antoine Berry will never be able to forget what he saw next. A 6-year-old boy named Isaac pinned under this refrigerator.
And then I seen them pick up the kid, and he just had blood all over him, and I just ran over there.
Berry called for help.
I called 911, and while I was calling 911, the lady, I guess she didn't think it was an emergency, so she, I really don't know. She just put me on hold, and I was just waiting. So I hung up and called again.
The San Diego Fire Department says Berry was on hold for 2 minutes, 34 seconds because of a high call volume that afternoon. But a source tells 10 News a long wait for 911 isn't just a problem at the police department, it's also a chronic problem at the fire department.
I didn't talk to nobody. She just put me on hold too long. I hung up and kept calling them.
Our source also said 10 dispatchers is considered fully staffed, but the norm is usually 7, which is the bare minimum allowed. The same number required back in 2005. That's before San Diego Fire Dispatch was assigned with Chula Vista, Poway, National City, Imperial Beach, and Coronado.
So 911, for a reason, it's an emergency call. You're supposed to call in, they're supposed to be here. We shouldn't have to wait. You shouldn't have to call us back, it's an emergency.
We'll be okay. Now, the boy's grandfather told me 20 years ago a fridge also fell on his 7-year-old nephew, killing him as well. A fire department spokesman told me they are aware of the dispatcher shortage and they have budgeted for 8 new dispatchers this season. Live in Otay Mesa, Itika Milanes, 10 News.